So tell me when to express. Here I'm going on thinking of कि काश ये घर मेरा होता. Like I'm that track with one
ठीक है. So ready हो? हाँ. अच्छा. तो now go dreamy. वही वाला pose and paddle with your legs and look up and maybe बीच में एक बार just shake your head. काश ये घर मेरा होता. एक बार और सही सब सही है ना. चल मैं उधर जाके खड़ा होता हूँ. मुझे
Just tell me when to look.
ऐसी कैमरा टू कैम ही होना चाहिए. लोग सब नहीं आप ऊपर ये ऊपर है ना. जस्ट लुक अप. Smile more. Exaggerated smile, cartoonic smile. You know, ये cartoon वाली. Hi, होए, and shake your head. Smile, you're not smiling.
जरा
इस लाइट को ना थोड़ा सॉफ्ट कर देना.
पैर को ना ऐसे ऐसे मूव करो. ऐसे
ज़्यादा से
हाँ ये परफेक्ट. हाँ
थोड़ा सा.
अपने मुँह से आहा भी बोल एक बार. Ready?
Wait, Vinny, nose खराब हो. That wasn't me, dude.
Shut the fuck up.
Ready?
I can't see you.
Trust me.
Eating is not a very good idea.
Even me is not exactly the best idea as well because I can't see that.
हाँ चलो.
Ready?
And ready? And
Sorry, what am I supposed to say?
you complete me. चलो. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And action.
You complete me.
Again.
When am I supposed to say it?
Action पे.
Okay.
Action. Come close. Stand closer. हाँ. चलो.
Complete me.
I also love rats.
हग ऑल्सो.
वापस हग कर ले. हाँ ये अच्छा था. एक बार
फिर से करना है.
चलो. And ready? And action.
You complete me.
I also love rats.
परफेक्ट. ये ले लेना चाहिए मैन के लिए.
चल रहा है.
I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I guess we are.
You are like ugly pigs right now. We try. सही है. छोड़ दो उसको वरना वो लड़ाई में शुरू कर देंगे.
This is not the
Awesome.
What are you doing?
You complete me, asshole.
ये एंडिंग है.
Grow up, Vicky. Grow up.
Remember the scene? Remember the scene?
बेबी को उसका मारोगे. इस तरफ.
Not my number.
I know from nursery. I mean, we were together in the play school, Shishu Vibe, and that's our play school name. And Arman, I know from class 3 in school. So yeah,
Study buddies.
Johnny buddies.
So, tell me any incident or any funny story that you know about them.
Funny story. Oh my god, I think Arman's gonna kill me if I tell this story to everyone. But when Arman and Sania were falling in love, then Sania used to drag me to Arman's house just so that she could be around him. And we all three of us would used to chill till like 5 o'clock in the morning, and that's when their love story almost started. And the funniest was, but that's a secret. I don't know if you could tell people, like whatever. So they wanted to make out, and Arman looks at me and she's like, "Damn, aaj pata yaar hai." And so I'm like, "Oh shit, ab kya kare?" So Arman looks at me and says, "Audio ya video?" I'm like, "Ek thappad aur kuch nahi." So this is the funniest story that I remember about Arman, and he keeps irritating me about that.
Yeah. And how was it when these guys are away for college and you were like, where exactly?
Oh my god, so like their love story started when they were going to college, and then Arman used to call me, Sania did this, and Sania used to call me, Arman did this. I'm like, oh yeah, okay, very nice, this is very nice. And I used to be like in the middle of my two really close friends talking crap about each other, and I'm like, oh shit, how to handle this. But it was fun, yeah. These guys are amazing together. And I don't see Arman with anyone else but Sania, and I don't see Sania with anyone else but Arman. Mr. and Mrs. Siddiqui, and I wish you all the best, all the love. Enjoy yourself, have a happy, happy, happy married life, have lots of children, and what else? And then we're partying now with Arman's fancy house.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cheers. That's it. It was so simple.
Was it?
Yeah.
ये सारा काट दोगे ना?
American, Taliban.
Just actually, you look here.
Taliban.
Stop shaking, don't look here.
अच्छा फर्स्ट पोजीशन यही होगी ऐसे वही गन पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स हर हाँ और योर गन आल्सो पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स हर
I'm like the cross-eyed one.
And you can do this in the meantime.
Your hair is coming out.
सही perfect. चलो ready है?
Yeah, rolling sir.
Silence.
American.
Silence please.
Can I say American?
हाँ you can
Ready? Camera rolling.
Yeah, rolling.
Silence.
Silence!
And action.
so glad I wasn't born एक बार फिर से first position
America.
रोल करते रहो and start okay start so glad I wasn't born in Afghanistan Taliban एक बार और करेंगे
Okay, you guys did something really evil to Arman. Oh God, वो guy. वो मास्क उतारा था, थूक रहा था आधे घंटे के लिए. वो खा रहा था उसको अंदर से. Yeah, you see, he was holding the nose of that thing. Like.
I have to see this footage before the wedding.
Right, so why don't you start, my friend?
I know Sania.
How do you know these
Because
That's your essay.
alcoholics. That's why.
Raging alcoholics.
For our love for alcohol.
What? I'm only on vodka to the wedding.
vodka water
Vodka. Time. See, this is a death drink. Just quickly, death by vodka. One more, big sip. Imagine कुछ दवाई पिलाते हैं. One more big sip. See, when just like आदत पड़ जाती है. Actually. Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
Yeah, please don't show this footage to like the parents and all. I'll be really like. But because of the love for whiskey, and we both spoke a little bit of Spanish, but मैं तो भूल गया हूँ सारी. और फिर उसके बाद all that was remaining was alcohol. Yeah, that's why.
Killer. We grew up together, so we know everything about each other. And
Oh no.
yeah, except stuff that I cannot talk about. But yeah, I think the first interaction we started having was in the 6th and 7th grade.
How?
How? Because of course I was the cool guy.
Oh my god.
And
But of course.
Rishabh, yaar.
the girls were out, so so that's how it started. But over the years, we just kept in touch, and we are neighbors also. So.
Nice. So Arman was also you.
Arman was actually in my class. We were both in a very nerdy science section in school.
You were science.
Of course.
Hard to believe, no?
Fucking intelligent
Yeah.
man. What the fuck are you
I
doing?
don't believe this.
But you know, we were friends in school. Like, you know how normal classmates are friends. We would exchange like notes and talk about physics and stuff. But then I didn't know that Arman would also turn out to be
As
such a
crazy as
madman.
अरमान के साथ तो बहुत कुछ हुआ हुआ है.
अरमान के साथ तो हो रहा है.
अभी तो
अरमान के साथ जो हो रहा है अभी हो रहा है. स्कूल में नहीं हुआ.
स्कूल में हुआ.
स्कूल में बच्चा था वो. और बच्चा था वो. अब बड़ा हो गया ऐसा हमारा अरमान. He's wearing these kinky masks and like doing video shoots. I'm sitting on a couch.
Talking about it.
तू क्या कर रहा है? तू जा रहा है ऐसे? जा.
कहाँ जा रहा है?
So and how do you know Sania and Arman?
I know them through Nikhil, fortunately, but I think they're the craziest couple I've ever met in my life. I'm terrified for my liver. I'm scared to go to Goa. I'm actually very terrified of going to Goa. I've thought of not going.
I love you.
That's not gonna happen. No, but I love her. She's like, I think one of the nicest.
So this is an alcohol bond. You have to understand.
No, but like we because we're girls, so we bond without the alcohol also. Not you and me and Sanya.
I doubt
Yeah.
that part.
No,
You
no, they
mean?
do.
No,
They
you
do.
do.
They
Yeah, yeah.
always
Yeah.
like touching each other. It's really weird for me.
Must
And I'm
be.
always like, fucking don't do this.
But she's so friendly.
So Arman, we were in school together, and of course we had our own groups back in the day. He was in the Barasinga group.
Barasinga group.
Yeah, they know it. So and then went to USC with him. So that was another chapter of my life that I shared with him. Which was a lot of fun and a lot of craziness. And again, I know a lot about stuff that I cannot speak about right now. So I have dirt on both of them, in other words.
But at the wedding, Arman's gonna be called the shot terrorist.
Yeah, well, he is.
I've gone through so many weddings not drinking a single shot, but with Arman, there's no chance.
It's impossible.
He does not listen to
He
all this.
pulls your
He is
hair back,
lazy.
and
He's
before
mad.
you blink, that shot is inside you.
He's the Patron fucking terrorist.
And
Like,
Patron, any kind of shot he can get his
Like
hands
my
on.
insides
That
hurt
height
when we
really
talk about
helps.
Arman
You know, he
and
just like gets
alcohol.
on you. Like,
You
wait,
don't even
pile.
blink,
And
you're
he's so
just
big. He's
walking.
like, exactly. That character is perfect for him.
No, because it's like you're just walking past the living room and suddenly someone's got your head and it's like,
Yeah. And now you're drunk.
now you're drunk.
So there's
5 minutes later you're drunk.
Did you actually ever imagine in your wildest dream that they're going to be getting married one day, or was there any?
I think Rishabh will answer that one.
Yeah, I think they've always gone steady. Of course, it was long distance, so it was very difficult. But the fact that they kept on going and going and
Yeah, but they
going.
were both in the States. I mean, one was in.
Yeah, but still, it
It's
was
not
long.
easy.
It was still long distance in college time. So
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, it's difficult. But I felt like once they both moved back and they were still going strong, that it was gonna happen. Tick tock, tick tock. I mean.
So this is my new thing for Arman, yeah. He called me yesterday, he was like, Nikhil, what's your email ID? I was like, Nikhil, whatever, Gmail. So he's like, acha, chalo, okay, bye. I was like, acha, listen, Arman. He's like, I'm like, tick tock. Tock. And he's like, fuck you, man, bye. Hung up on me.
He had science in school, that's what I know. And then he did engineering somehow.
Engineering, but not. What did you say?
Industrial engineering.
Industrial. No, it was mechanical.
One of these, right? He did engineering.
But he was a very good student in this thing in school. Right. In 11th and 12th. Yeah.
फिर कॉलेज के बाद grades गिर गए?
कॉलेज के बाद से बताया नहीं एक्चुअली ग्रेड्स के बारे में कभी. बस एक 4 साल बताया कि मैं ग्रेजुएट हुआ.
So if you have to describe your relationship with Arman in one sentence, how would you describe it?
In one sentence. We're more like friends, you know. So I never had.
These guys share everything actually. They share a lot
All
of
of us, in fact, all of us, not just me and Arman. I think all of us share.
I sometimes talk to Arman for suggestions when I need some. Yeah.
That's a good one actually. And how
just like your elder brother, elder cousin brother.
is he supportive and
Supportive and a lot of suggestions and stuff.
nice. So और कुछ एक कोई कुत्ती बात बताओ जो मतलब फैमिली ब्रदर्स की सीक्रेट है.
यार सबकी बातें खुल जाएंगी ना बहुत सारी.
Exactly.
लेकिन एक
सब चीज़ लाइफ में स्टार्ट करी सब कुछ तो बोल ही सकते हैं एक्चुअली.
हाँ ये बोल सकते हैं कि हम लोग ने साथ में सबसे
हाँ साथ में बिगड़े सारे.
कोई एक आगे नहीं है.
हाँ कोई आगे नहीं है. वो सैनिक फार्म से स्पेशली आता था पिक करने सबको और फिर उसके बाद हम जाते थे परमिशन लेके सबकी फैमिली से. एक्चुअली हाँ जब हम छोटे थे अरमान को हम फोन करवाते थे कि कैसे परमिशन लेता. वो आता था हमें पिक करने और फिर हम जाते थे. You know during the vacation and the holiday of schools and everything we used to spend time together, like stay like for, you know in his house or something like that for like 8 days a week or something like that.
Because we were of the same age group. So
of course naturally. तो बिगाड़ने वाला
ये है.
No, please don't take that on the camera. मेरी शादी थोड़ी ना हो रही है.
तू सच थी.
हद हो गई.
कितने क्लियरली दोनों ने बोला है. मैंने
ये क्या होता है.
स्टार्ट सब कुछ यहीं से होता है.
हाँ यहीं से होता है. अरमान यहाँ पे बैठा नहीं है. स्टार्ट यहीं से होता है. अरमान की वेट कर रहे हैं हम अभी. अरमान यहाँ पे है.
यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचते हैं वहाँ से फैलते रहते हैं. They were friends before they started dating. They were friends and then they started dating after that.
So school 12 they started dating and then in college they
started dating 12th? No.
When he was leaving for America.
US, right? So right after his 12th, before leaving for US,
just
before leaving.
you remember that day in Radisson?
That was way back. Was it?
No, they were those days only.
Yeah,
they were those days. We started, they started hanging out.
But they were not dating at that
No,
time.
they started hanging out a lot actually.
After that.
In between, they started hanging out a lot. And after that one night, I don't know, they both, he and Arman went upstairs and after like 15-20 minutes, they came down, they were like, I'm dating Sanya now.
Yeah, he just casually, told all of us that I'm dating Sanya now. Like, okay.
But somewhere everyone knew that, they were quite serious about it. So.
Right. Their chemistry is such,
Yeah, they understand each other pretty well actually. That's what I think.
So, any message you want to give Arman, Sanya? You've known them for so long. Now they're getting married. So,
yeah, I just want to say good luck and wish you a very happy married life.
May you stick together with each other for forever.
Lots of kids and stuff.
I'm just gonna give a bit of history about Arman and Sanya. So basically, there comes a time in everyone's life when they meet their true love, their soulmate, the person they're gonna be with for the rest of their life. So, that moment for Arman came 25 years ago when he met all three of us. So anyways guys, just, I wish you best of luck and hope you have a great married life. God bless.
Rolling action हो गया भाई.
Action हो गया.
भाई बताओ जरा कहानियाँ.
Wait.
So how do you know Arman and Sanya?
So Arman was my roommate in college. Unfortunately, I've known him 4 years throughout college. And Sanya, of course, I know through Arman.
I want to know more about the unfortunate part.
The unfortunate part, there's several unfortunate parts. He's a pig, man. Like, he's so dirty. He is so dirty. We were roommates for one semester, then we both mutually decided, okay, I think we should probably get a 2-bedroom apartment. You should get your own room. We should not probably live together. So that's one side of his thing. He will never wake up in the morning, but he'll always set an alarm for 6 a.m. And being his roommate, I always used to wake up, and his phone used to be somewhere underneath him. I had to move him. Itna pahad hai, wo bande ko hilao, find his phone and shut it off for him. And dude, you could literally punch Arman for half an hour, he would not wake up. Like, he used to actually sleep on the floor the day he actually had to wake up the next day, because he said that if I sleep on the bed, I'll be so comfortable that I would not wake up. So he used to sleep on the floor the day he had to actually wake up for an exam or something like that. And he's actually missed a few exams also because he just slept through them. And then sending fake emails to professor, मैं बीमार हो गया था, ये हो गया था, वो हो गया था. So he's done a lot of that.
I actually just heard about like good stories about him कि बड़ा studious था. School में वो कॉलेज के ग्रेड्स के बारे में कुछ गफला, कई एग्जाम स्किप मारा हो, उसके लिए कुछ गफला इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स सब बड़े।
अरे हाँ, Arman has a lot of stories.
उसमें ये पूछो कि घपला कब नहीं किया था।
Exam की तो बहुत stories. So actually, you know, Arman was not a bad student. The first exam we actually took together. We met at TA. He was a French guy, and I think before the exam result was posted online, we just didn't know our individual score. So we met the TA in the cafeteria, and he's like, "Oh, the exam went horrible. Out of 100, the class average was only 52. But some guy got an 87. He topped. There were 2 guys who got some 80 scores, and the rest of the class, you know, were failing or getting 40, 50. So next morning, me and Arman, 8 AM discussion class. We didn't take a shower. We just walked up to the class. You know, prepared कि भाई हम ही होंगे वो नालायक फेल होने वाले, average score वाले. Turns out Arman actually topped the class. He got an 87. I got an 85. And one of our roommates, unfortunately, the name will remain unsaid. He actually failed the class. But I know he's in the audience right now, and he knows we're talking about it.
Let's talk about Sanya. So Sanya is one girl who's like a guy. Definitely like a guy. Like she's laziest for sure. How everything is. I mean, you know, usually the conception is that girls you know, everything is in order, everything is in line, but not with her.
What?
There's a pen lying next to the bed. There's a thermos lying next to the study table.
What?
There's glass lying on the floor, like a, you know, and there's one shoe there, there's one shoe on the other side.
No.
And whenever she needs to like really figure this out, and especially after vacation, she's gotten back home because there's a lot of stuff to unpack or pack. That is the time when she really remembers her friends, because I think it's very inconvenient for her to you know, to unpack or pack alone. So that's one time when she remembers her old buddies. Right?
No.
को एक अरमान के लंबे बालों के बारे में एक बाइक चाहिए।
There was a time.
एक बाइक इसके exactly मेरे को I want all 3 of you to
hair was really long.
Last बाइक चाहिए।
That was more in college, right? Because
It
these
was
guys were
more in
in
college. No, literally, that was a scary time for him in his life. Like,
you actually have to say that कि उसके बालों की बात करें, क्योंकि मेरी ये नहीं आई।
जुल्फे ऐसी थी जो मतलब किसी को भी डरा दे। रात को मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, तुम लोग साथ रहते थे, कहीं तू बाथरूम जा रहा है, रास्ते में इतनी लंबी जुल्फे देख के
I don't know, man. He had those scary hair for a long time. And luckily one summer he came back, they were all gone, so I was pretty happy.
nightmares थोड़े कम हो गए होंगे।
I think his dad must have made fun of him, to be honest. As much as I know his dad or something, I think that's probably the reason that he got his hair cut, because it's probably his dad.
But it was hilarious because he's fucking so tall, and that haircut.
And he had long hair, if I remember.
Yeah,
in college.
First
year, exactly.
I remember we went to Cabo. And he had that.
मेरा तेरे भी तो लंबे थे। मेरा had the funny hair as well. मेरा freshman year में ऐसे probably Arman got inspired from you.
I think Arman got inspired by you.
I doubt it, but anyhow.
Hey, he did it second year. He did it second year. So.
थोड़ी देर के लिए please, huh? Let's take a break.
Arman, congratulations. Sanya, you have my sympathy because Arman, obviously, like I said before, he's dirty. He'll have his laundry all over the room.
She is dirty as well, man.
I don't know about that part, man, but he'll have his laundry all over the room. He'll sleep and wake up whenever. He snores. I don't know, dude. I just want to go on and on. ऐसे भाग ही ना जाओ तुम शादी के पहले. But anyhow, congratulations to you guys. Have fun. Wish you guys a wonderful future together. And Sana, you need all the luck. So more so to you.
सबकी बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो.
Hello, all you beautiful people. That was a fun song, right? By the way, I'm referring to Daga. मुझे भी लगता था till I copy pasted the lyrics to Google Translator. Daga la, no, he's not. नहीं भैया ऊपर से, sorry. That was a fun song, right? मुझे भी लगता था till I copy pasted the lyrics to Google Translator. Daga la lagli kala, pani dheem dheem kala. Meaning, the clouds have parted, my beloved, and the water is leaking drop by drop. Toing!
So profound. Kyun Sanya Arman? Isn't it the perfect song to kickstart this beautiful romantic evening?
In fact, the implications of the leaking water are even more profound as we use this beautiful property to celebrate this occasion. A big thank you to Vijay uncle. We can assure you that after this wedding, you will not allow any more weddings here.
Anyways, हम तो बस इतना चाहते हैं कि बारातियों का स्वागत गाने बजाने से हो. Oh, sorry, I meant सालवेज की बजाने से.
So finally, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vegas. I mean Goa. तो क्या हुआ अगर हम आपको Vegas नहीं ले गए? Tonight we are bringing to you our very own Desi version of Vegas.
Are you ready? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Are you ready? वैसे तो हम आज सच्चे दिल से सबकी बजाना चाहते हैं, पर शुरू करते हैं उस इंसान से जिसने बचपन में डाडा से पहले प्राडा और मम्मी से पहले जिमी का नाम लिया था.
Our very own man-eater, diet cheater, human eater. Oh, sorry. The girl behind Jimmy Choo, I think we all know who. Sania Salve, aka Muti Mohatma.
aka कब्जी बू. बचपन से ही लड़कियां नहीं, लड़कों से दोस्ती. सानिया को तो नॉर्मल चीजों से एलर्जिक रिएक्शन है.
तभी अरमान इतना पसंद है.
Guys, let's have a big round of applause for our bride to be.
वैसे तो लड़के वाले लड़की लेते हैं, पर सालवेज अगर एक लड़की दे रहे हैं तो एक लड़की ले भी रहे हैं.
ले ली.
आज के बाद अरमान का बैंड बजेगा ही, पर हमने बड़ी स्मार्ट चीज की है. सनम, अरमान सिस्टर, has recently started working in Dallas.
अरे भाई लॉयर शॉयर बनना है.
हाँ, तो सनम यहाँ आकर ऐड करेगी और सानिया वहाँ जाकर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगी. Anyway, coming back to Sania, she's a very nice girl.
अबे झूठ बोल के पाप चढ़वाओगे क्या? सानिया उस चिड़िया का नाम है जो उड़ती नहीं उड़ाती है,
डरती नहीं डराती है,
रोती नहीं रुलाती है. But on a serious note, Sania is one of the most chilled out, caring and funnest person ever.
I've grown up with her and spent many holidays blackmailing the life out of her. I don't think I could have wished for a better sister.
She's got the moves, she's got the grooves. और अरमान का तो एक ही झटके में.
वो साउंड इफेक्ट आएगा. देखना है कैसे presenting the चिंगम चबाती टू हिलाती बेशरम girls.
And we exit like.
Then we exit. आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी. ट्रैफिक
बुला लेगी. हाँ.
And चार बारी आएगा. While we exit. फिर lights off.
बेशरम.
Then बेशरम. Then we take our positions. Then बेशरम comes to Fevicol back to back. Okay. After this bit. Okay. Then once Fevicol finishes, then again we both come on stage. सबकी
बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो.
ठीक है. फिर लाइफ की नॉटी कहानी, अरमान की लुट गई जवानी.
The rock star जिसके साथ होने वाला है ढेर सारा अत्याचार. Let's give a big round of applause for our tall, dark and handsome groom to be.
जीजा जी हाय. कहते हैं कि साली होती है आधी घर वाली, तो इस हिसाब से जीजा जी क्या हुआ?
अरे ATM मशीन और क्या? जो मेरे डैड नहीं भर सकते वो अरमान भरेगा.
Don't be scared अरमान. I'm very low maintenance. बस साल में 6-7 हॉलीडेज, 10-15 बैग, 15-20 जूते और खूब सारे छोटे छोटे डायमंड्स.
अच्छा ये तो हो गई वार्निंग्स. Now let's talk about our man, the man, our man, the man. सुपरमैन की बैक स्टोरी तो सबको ही पता है. Who is Arman? Do you really want to know? It all started on a high school field trip at a local 5-star bar, जहाँ सल्लू बाबा जैसा हेयरस्टाइल लेके एक गोलू मोल सा अरमान अंडरएज मदिरा पान करने जाता था. कहानी में ट्विस्ट तब आया जब अरमान while chugging his fifth bottle was bitten by a radioactive duck. When he woke up the next morning, Arman discovered his secret powers.
And then you have the toilet flushing song. He was no longer Arman. He was now our man. How did the office elude him for so long? After all, our man beat Superman hands down.
अरे भाई, सुपरमैन की वीकनेस क्या है? एक छोटे से क्रिप्टोनाइट से गिर जाता है. छोटे से क्रिप्टोनाइट से गिर जाता है. हाँ.
और our man को गिराने के लिए चाहिए
Whiskey, vodka, rum, tequila, bullets, bombs, nice और सानिया.
तो बोलो कौन बड़ा सुपर हीरो हुआ?
Obviously अपना Arman. With great power comes great responsibility, but that won't keep him from pursuing his passions and hobbies. Arman के सिर्फ 3 शौक हैं: making money, and making more money.
Which is perfect, because सानिया के भी सिर्फ 3 शौक हैं: spend money and spend more money.
अरमान, यार वो सुपर हीरो ही क्या जिसकी स्टोरी में एक विलन ना हो?
और वो लव स्टोरी क्या जिसमें हीरो हीरोइन का मिलन ना हो?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it away for the man of the moment, the one and only Arman.
Auntie police बुला लेगी. Then we have Meghuladi Tonadi and Lungi Dance.
Lungi Dance, yeah.
ठीक है, फिर हम आते हैं वापस. सबकी बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो. हाँ जी. So you all must be wondering कि ये शादी आखिर गोवा में क्यों? There is a reason why we picked Goa for the wedding.
And the reason is दिल्ली की सर्दियों में the Delhi is the very very hot. Don't believe me? The Delhi is the very very hot. Don't believe me? Sakshi explain यार.
भाई 6 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में छत्तरपुर के फार्म हाउसेस में बैकलेस चोलियां पहन के जब द आंटीज जब द रैडीज होके आती हैं ना तो भाई गार्ड अच्छे अच्छों के पसीने छूट जाते हैं.
I swear यार. If you think I'm lying, then ask the Delhi uncles. क्यों सुनील अंकल, हरीश अंकल, कुछ तो बोलो यार. इतने कोल्ड वेदर में 2 पटियाले पेगों के बाद when अवीची साथ सामने बप्पी और कोरोना में दिखने लगती है मडोना, तो क्या मुन्नी, क्या शीला, क्यों मोना.
किसी भी पार्टी में चले जाओ समझ नहीं आता 30 का कौन है 60 का कौन है, माँ कौन है, बहन कौन है, कौन बाप है कौन बाप है. I mean come on, this saying was naughty at 40. You were supposed to get gripped by 41, 42. अच्छा चलो 50 तक तो काबू में आ जाओ, पर नहीं. ऐसा लगता है जैसे आफ्टर टर्निंग 40 बाकी उम्र बेचारे पार्टी टू पार्टी भटकते रहते हैं कि यार कोई ये 40 का नोट ले लो और 2 20 के दे दो.
यार दिल्ली वाले तो समझ गए होंगे हम क्या कह रहे हैं. मतलब वो नॉन दिल्लीइट्स अभी तक थोड़े कंफ्यूज लग रहे हैं. सारी confusion दूर हो जाएगी after this dazzling, sparkling performance by some true blue Delhiites.
And then we have Meher Sharabi, Talli and Tamanchika Disco. After the good intro na for this.
Yeah, fantastic.
So then Tamanchika Disco के बाद हम तो stage में होंगे ठेम. I'll stay on stage and you come. सबकी
बजाते रहो, सबकी बजाते रहो. Arman, now you know why the Salwa sisters are so crazy?
Because you have the most fun, the most wacky and the most nutty mom and dad in the whole wide Delhi world.
चलो यार okay, अब हंसी मजाक बहुत हो गया. Now let's get down to some serious talk. Now let's talk about Arman and Sania's love story.
I remember the time when they were dating. मैंने कितनी कोशिश करी कि दोनों अलग हो जाए. पर ये तो फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़ निकला.
टूटेगा नहीं यार. सानिया जैसी ड्रामा क्वीन, मतलब मीना कुमारी चली गई, अपना टैलेंट सानिया में छोड़ गई. मतलब साला बाथरूम में जाके नल का ऑन करो ना तो पानी आने में भी 2 मिनट लगते हैं. बट जब सानिया उस मूड में हो ना तो बाय गॉड यार आधे सेकंड का लैग नहीं होता और सानिया की नदियां बहनी शुरू हो जाती हैं.
But let me tell you guys a story. This is a true story. 18 years ago, when they were very young, Sania actually started howling in the middle of dinner in Italy during summer vacation because she suddenly realized that she had not finished her maths holiday homework. Then we have laughing track. In fact, हम उसे प्यार से चिंतामणि बुलाते हैं.
और नखरे तो उफ माशाल्लाह, जैसे नखरों पे सारी सब्सिडी तो इसी को मिल रही है. तेरी तो लग गई भाई.
Who would want to marry a guy who's obsessed with blow drying his hair every single day? In fact, sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. अच्छा अच्छा और क्या गुस्सा करता है. बाय गॉड, यू डोंट वांट टू मेस विद अरमान. गुस्से में भाईजान को क्या क्या आइडियाज आते हैं. किडनैप करवा दो, हड्डियां तोड़वा दो, जो समुंदर में डुबा दो. And then we'll have the laughing track, okay?
Plus he's so boring yaar. He's gonna work all the time, but last truly he's blind. And what could I do when both of them had lost their minds?
Auntie police बुला लेगी. Then we have अपनी तो जैसे तैसे.
अपनी तो याद हो गया.
Then after your emotional अत्याचार drama queen, that's the second one. After that gets over, then again we come back on whatever सबकी बजाते रहो. Then I'll say. So like I said, हमने सानिया और अरमान को बहुत समझाया, पर अफसोस ये दोनों नहीं माने.
चल दुखी मत हो. जब शॉपर शॉपी राजी तो क्या करेगा काजी. अरे I mean जब अरमानी तिफनी राजी तो क्या करेगा जिमी चू.
बाली यू लॉस्ट द प्लॉट. लगता है शादी का गहरा सदमा लगा है. अरे इसे कोई लेके जाओ रे.
अबे यार for a change I'm trying to make a smart joke. मेरी तो मत ले यार. Don't you know what these guys have been doing?
Of course. They've been painting the town green. बाली ये सब बड़े कंफ्यूज लग रहे हैं यार दिखा दे
अरे दिखा दो
now the video will come the music
I love brands, yeah.
I love all brands so then that'll come then after that we'll be on stage only हम बस थोड़े because people are just watching this through फिर हम आएंगे और we'll be like oh
अबे यार वो औरत ही क्या जो ना करे
shut up they are so cute I want to take this opportunity to say that Arman is the best, the coolest, the most funnest brother-in-law ever, and I'm extremely happy for Tanya. She's really found it well.
क्या पलटी मारी सालवे
अबे लॉयर की बेटी हूँ अगर सारी जिंदगी एक ही साइड को सपोर्ट किया तो तीसरी बेंटली कहाँ से आएगी
अच्छा guys, now on a more serious note, love is in the air, वो थोड़ा romantic करते हैं, and let's give it up for the lovely couple, Arman and Sanya.
We leave and
Auntie,
then
police वाला whatever.
ऊंची है building, okay, that's your bit, okay, ऊंची है building and whatever. Then we again come back then.
इतना romance देखे तो आंटी जरूर पुलिस बुला लेगी.
Next, we have a very special performance by some very special people. But before that, I just want to say that Shamsher uncle and Shampa auntie have truly become parents. Not just to Sanya, but me also. Then you have to say, buy one get one free.
Buy one get one free.
Uncle ki the favorite hu main. They really love and pamper both of us. And the two lovely sisters, Sanam and Henna, the coolest chicks ever. I mean, thanks to Sanya, we have not only found such wonderful family members, but also two amazing friends.
They prepared an amazing number to welcome Sanya into the family, and I would want all of us to welcome them on stage with a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the one and only Siddiqui family.
Navrai Maja. इनका हमने कुछ नहीं लिया, like भाई अच्छा बोलते हैं. Then they'll come and इसमें हम वो भी नहीं कर रहे हैं
कुछ भी नहीं.
Because it's a very sweet number, so it has to be like so then Navrai Maja will happen. Maji, whatever. Then I'll come back. Say we really hope you all enjoyed this evening as much as we enjoyed preparing it.
And now,
कुछ नहीं, Goa में है. Let's go nuts, guys. We have a special Goa performance for all you guys. And after which we should all get hammered and get this party started.
और ये पार्टी तब तक चलेगी जब तक
आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी. We'll exit the stage. Okay. फिर पानी that one. अच्छा फिर lights will go off. People will think हाँ हो गया. फिर हम पीछे से हम स्टेज पे नहीं आएंगे. पीछे से माइक से फिर मैं बोलूँगी रुको एंडिंग अभी बाकी है. आपको क्या लगा हम ऐसे ही सनी करके चले जाएंगे?
Mocambo तो अब खुश होगा.
And then there'll be like a sound effect, tick tock, and then cook.
That's it.
Chole ke piche then. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, guys. Nice.
So good.
पक्का
Awesome. Now I've got good.
पक्का नहीं था.
Dude, you're wrong.